Hello everyone and welcome back to the SuperTeki channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Cryptnox app. There is a new update that was just released now in August. If you go over to Google Play, and this is for Android of course, and you search for Cryptnox, if you have already installed the app, or not, you can install it. And if you go over to what's new, you will have information about what has changed. So with this new update, they have fixed TRC20 token sending issues, resolved token added screen bugs, improved app performance. What is Cryptnox? I've got another video on it. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to find out more. But Cryptnox is a mobile app designed for seamless integration with Cryptnox hardware wallet. The Cryptnox Wallet app is your ultimate tool for securely managing crypto hardware wallets smart cards. This application uses NFC technology to ensure smooth connection and easy interaction with your device. Being fully Web3 compatible, it is an excellent tool for blockchain enthusiasts and seamlessly integrates with Wallet Connect through QR code scanning. The hardware wallet apps offers complete control over your Cryptnox card, including word, seed, injection, backup, and recovery processes. Moreover, the kiosk mode increases the app's adaptability for a number of use cases. Let's have a look at the app now. If you want to find out more information, just visit the website. I'll leave a link in the description for that as well. So let's open up the app. I'm here, I'm just removing here my balance for protection. But as you open the app, you will see, or we'll have an overview of your balances for all of your tokens. And then one of the new features that they have added recently is the ability to swap tokens. In my case, I've got Bitcoin as well as Ethereum, but I'm only able to swap Ethereum at this moment. I'm not able to swap any Bitcoin. I am able to swap Ethereum to USDC, for example, and vice versa. They do offer a number of tokens here that you can use, but I only, like I mentioned, use 2 of them. Now for this wallet, like I mentioned, it is a secure wallet. It's a hardware wallet. You do get a main card and then a secondary card or a backup card. So one of the things that I've noticed here is that in terms of performance and also in terms of appearance, it looks way better than the previous version. It works a lot smoother, and they have also added some new TRC20 tokens. There's loads of them, as you can see here. I only use this for 2 and I don't need any more, to be honest. And I've been using the Cryptnox wallet for a while now, and I believe it is a good product. It keeps my crypto secure, and if I need to send, I do need to tap in my card. And this is it for this update. Please like and subscribe. Take care.